just wanted to go through techniques of desoldering. I kind of always have used a pump, desolder pump. So you basically pop that down there and then heat this up and then suck. So I'll show you that's done. This is just something I found lying around, which is the WBT RCA socket. So I'm just going to solder, dump some solder on the earth connection there. See it there. And then to use the desolder pump, you heat it up like that, get it wet, come in and there. So if you come in close, you can see it's taken up pretty much all of the solder there. But one thing you want to avoid is keep heating these tracks, because they'll pop out and it's just crap. So we're going to try another method, which is using the desoldering braid or wick. So there you go, I dropped some solder on there. This is the wick there, and you effectively pop it over where you want the solder to be removed, and then heat both at the same time. The solder gets sucked up into weeps into the actual braid like that. I mean, in my opinion, that's picked up most of the solder, more solder than a desolder pump, and you can see all the solder sat in there. So when you're about to use it again, just cut it short like that. So you've got some fresh braid there. So let's get rid of that. That was my demonstration.